Bulk Creating Canva, a perfect tool for creating certificates in seconds. Begin by designing a certificate or opening one of the templates designed by Canva. First, we'll adjust the existing template to meet our needs. In this case, I'll pretend that this is a 5th grade graduation ceremony. In this case, the name looks great, but at the top here, I want to change it so that each student can have a customized award. First, I'll delete the box that says of completion, and I'll move the certificate text down. Then I'll type award name, just so I can keep straight what will go in that box. I'll adjust the spacing too. First, I'll click on this spacing option, and I'll make sure that the text box is anchored to the middle. While this might seem simple right now, it can be a game changer when you're trying to adjust all the different certificates. Next, I'll adjust the spacing of the letters. I want to make sure that it can accommodate a pretty lengthy name. So I'll make sure that there's not too much space in there and that the font's not too big. I'll also make sure that my alignment is centered in this case and centered on the certificate so that the name will extend out just as far as it needs to while still looking centered overall. Last, I'll adjust the names that are going to be the same on every certificate. If you're going to have someone sign them, you could even add their signature. Once you're all set, it's time for Bulk Create to work its magic. First, on the left-hand side, click on Apps. Then you should see Bulk Create as one of the options. When you click Bulk Create, you will see two different choices. You can either enter data manually right into Canva, or you can upload it if you already have the data somewhere in a spreadsheet. In this case, I do have it in a spreadsheet, but I'll still show you what it looks like to enter the data manually. When I click Enter Data Manually, you can see that I have a place to add the name, and in this case, it's auto-populating an email address, but I could change that to be whatever I want. In this case, I'll make it an award, and I'll enter in some student names and example award titles. When I'm done, I could simply click the Done button in the bottom right-hand corner. Now let's look at what it would look like if we uploaded our data instead. I'll go back and upload data instead this time. I'll click on Upload Data and upload this CSV of student names and awards that I've already created. Next, I'll need to connect different fields on my certificate to the fields on my data. First, I'll click on the name of the student, then I'll click the 3 dots and click Connect Data. This one I will connect to the student name. Next, I'll click on the award name and again connect the data. I'll connect this one to the award. Then I'll click Continue. You can see that it shows me a list of all the data it's pulling from the spreadsheet that I uploaded. And when I click Generate 20 Designs, a new document is opened, ready with all of the names of the awards and the names of the students populated for me. Now I can scroll through, adjust any of the certificates as needed, and when I'm ready, click Share, Download, and download a PDF of them so that they're ready to print. Have fun efficiently creating bulk certificates and other documents using Canva's Bulk Create tool.